Welcome back to our YouTube channel where creativity meets craftsmanship. Today we are diving into the exciting beginners friendly project that combine the rigid art of welding with the world of scrap metal transformation. Either you are overcome to the welding sense of scenes DIY enthusiast, the project will spark you and ignite your passion of creating functional art. Join us. We guide you step by step through the process of turning ordinary scrap metal into the masterpieces through welding, unlocking a world of the turning ordinary scrap metal into masterpieces through welding, unlocking a world of possibilities for crafting. Let's assemble your tools and material of this exciting welding adventure. For the project, you will guide a welding machine suitable for your skill level, the brush and the course of collection of inter-guiding scrap metal pieces make a room workspace as well ventilated and equipped with safety and welding require a keen focus, protection and safety. The key of captivating scrap metal welding project lies to selecting that light pieces to bring your vision of life. Not through discarded metal parts, piece of machinery, even the tools that tell a story of inspire your creativity and show that the scrap metal piece is enough for your freedom. Hazard materials from the construction firm might compromise the welding process. DIY carefully choosing the material you are seeking to stage of the project that not only impress but also tell a unique narrative through the artistry. With your material in the hard time of visual the sketch to your project design, either you aiming for a functional sculpture and decorative pieces, practice items such as board track to a plant stand, sketching to your concept help a clean welding process or effectively consider properties, balance and aesthetic you to refine your design, making sure to harmonize with both scrap metal pieces and your personal style. Before, before diving into the welding process to your welding helmet and gloves, ensuring to your workspace free cutter and potential haze, clean up scrap metal pieces using wire brush and angle grinder, removing rust, dirt, and any unwanted particles, proper preparation of only ensure to clean weld and also prevent any mishap during the welding process. For those new welding, mastering and foundation techniques in key, whether you are opting to emerging stick welding, understanding how to get stone rod weld as essential, begin with practice and choosing technique to aspire pieces to scrap metal to yourself and setting hand movement and formation as you gain confidence. Gradually progress to welding your project together. Remember, patience and practice to allow to achieving those clean, precise weld to elevate your project for ordinary to extraordinary. With Your skill on the time seamlessly scrap metal pieces in place, ensuring the singly before welding. Employ you to wonderful welding techniques and metal part together, applying close tension to